Good evening, everyone. Welcome to Bistro Ginkgo, the longevity cuisine. Today evening, we want to prepare the Gaspacho a la Bistro Ginkgo, and I counted it's 16 different ingredients I want to mix into a Spanish original recipe. So I start with originally it's tomato. There's two different kinds. We don't have the possibility like the Spanish people have a lot of tomato. Cucumber is the fresh for the freshness. It's very important. Then I always add a little bit of the beetroot for healthy reason, and then some onion. Not too much, otherwise it's too hot. Then a little bit of celery. It gives the flavor, the wonderful flavor. And then the original recipe, there are now 3 different kinds of paprika. It's sweet pepper. And then a little bit radish. So this is Italian. Garlic. Carrots. Ginger. Petersilie is what? Keine Ahnung. German is Petersilie. Then I have cooked corn for the sweetness. Also I love corn. And this is a little bit peach, a little bit apple, a little bit pear, and another apple. So now add some this is where's this thing? 2 tally. Yes. Then pepper, white pepper, very important. Then the apple, organic apple cider vinegar. It's very, very important. Then I'd like to add a little bit Botanical. Then add some homemade garden cherry. It's our cherry marmalade, cherry jam. This is from our own garden, organic, from our own tree. And then the ginger oil from how to say, Greece. This is a present from a friend of us. Then use the French walnut oil. And use the Portuguese oil. Olive oil. And then add some water. This water is lemon. It's lemon and green tea. Cold brew green tea. Very tasty. So now I forgot salt. A little bit salt. I think it's all. And then it's very thick because I want to save the space in my refrigerator. So if it's too thick before drinking, and it can always add some water. Now it's okay. Yeah. Now it's on. And first to have yeah, here. Sometimes people doesn't like what I do. It's too hot, too spicy. So now I take this to my recipe and add a little bit apple and fruit, and to have it very fresh, just add a little bit more cucumber. Then I think it's good. I think this should be good. And now I want just to the smoothie. I always do, let's say, 5 to 6 liter. I always do 5 to 6 liter, and then Michael and I will drink 1 to 1.5 bottle every day. So today I don't have fresh avocado. That's why I add a lot of oil. This is all very healthy omega-3 oil. Normally I have the fresh avocado. As today I don't have it. I add this, and now I want to feel that. That's all. And these usually, I don't know why, because maybe it's scallion and a lot of onion and a lot of garlic and also the ginger. This is antibacterial, and according to my experience, within 7 days we can store it, and it doesn't get mold, it doesn't ferment. It's just keep this, and also overnight it tastes better than just now. Yeah, that's all. Thank you.